Hi, I'm infoskytv. Let's go learn. Today topic is learn silkworm from fiber to fabric. Define silk fabric. Silk is a natural protein fiber. It is obtained from cocoons of silkworm insects. Silk is a finite, strong, soft and shiny fiber. Silk is also called sericulture. Learn classification of fiber. Fiber, natural fiber, man-made fiber. Natural fiber, animals and plants, silkworm, wool. Silk fabric making process. Egg laying, egg hatching, feed on mulberry leaves, silkworm spin the silk, cocoon formation, reeling and spinning of cocoon to get raw silk, twisting, degumming and dyeing of raw silk, weaving of silk. Eri silk. Eri silkworm feeds on the castelloid plants. Mulberry silk. Mulberry leaves. Mulberry silk cocoons of the mulberry silkworm. Muga silk. Larva of this moth feeds on foam and salu leaves. Tussar silk. Moth miltias feed leaves other than mulberry. If you like, share and subscribe, click the bell icon. Once again I say thank you.